Midjourney 7 is amazing. And I'm going to say that I've done some testing, but I think the test that has got me the most impressed is that relates to text. I've always been challenged with Midjourney to get clear text. And I've been trying this and I'm amazed. So these couple of pictures I did today for my blog, I'm going to show you a few that I did today just playing around with Midjourney 7. Look at that first one. Look at the prompt. Create a mug in a light blue color with an elegant Siamese cat. So that cat can't look more Siamese, right? And the words Power Cat engraved on the front of the mug. Look how clean the Power Cat was. And I just want you to know that I didn't try 10 times. Approximately 8 times out of 10, the text is perfect. When in the past, that was more like 1 out of 10, right? And then the one on the right, I asked it to put a cat's paw in the foam art of this matcha latte, right? Turned out beautiful. I love it. Here's another one. This one on the left here, I'm actually having made for me. I contacted a vendor who will print on cups, and they're going to actually make this cup for me because I love it so much. Power Cat's the name of my team. But look how clean. And notice that my prompt does not ask it to put a cat. It just decided to put a cat above the Power Cat. And you see the cat and its tail. And I just thought that was just perfect. It's just the right size for the text, and the text looks appropriate for the type of mug. Oh, just blew me away. Second one over here, clay mug with hot coffee and a white paw. So here I'm telling it to do a white paw on top of it, engrave it in. And here you can see it's engraved. It's like literally, it's like in there, right? So I suppose if you touched this cup, you would feel the texture of the clay, and then you would feel the indent of the paw. Oh my goodness. I love how that came out. Then here, 2 more cups, the same exact prompt, just ran twice. Black and cream colored modern style clay cup with the words Power Cat. Now, I will tell you the truth. I ran this several times to get the cups that I like. But here's the thing. I wasn't running it because the text was wrong. I was running it because I wanted a different cup. And I really like both of these cups. And again, if I could find someone who would make them, because these are obviously hand-turned quality cups. I can't buy these from a vendor like the other one. But boy, I just was so impressed. Even with this script of this first one. It's kind of like, it's quirky, but it fits the style of the mug, which is not like, so precise and perfect, right? So really love it, and love the little cat shape at the top here. Just turned out so well. Hands off is a protest going on today to help save our democracy from all of its attacks. And I used a permeation here, where on the left side, I just used watercolor and one of my profiles, right? I think my new profile. And then on the right side, I used political cartoon. But I think it gave me a painted feel, like almost a finger painted feel, which was kind of cool. But look at the text on both of these. Like, what? What? And then, okay, I had to have a little fun. Don't hit me. Okay, those of you that are Tesla owners, don't hit me. But I had to go there, okay? So I made these 2 cups for anybody who thinks Doge sucks. And I just like both of these cups. And you could see now these are the kind of prompts you have to do very carefully. Because I don't know if Must done paid off Midjourney or what. But it's really hard to get anything related to our politics into the images because it seems to filter it. Like immediately. So this was the first image that I got bad spelling. I did get bad spelling. I showed you the ones that weren't bad. But it was really like 4 out of 10. It was the worst. And I actually believe this is filtering related to this being about Doge. But I love the 2 that I got. I just think they're awesome. And yes, I would buy the cup on the right in a second. This is the last one I'm going to share with you. And this is the Constitution. And it appears people are working on our Constitution, and they definitely need red safety hats. But look at the we the people. Look at the we the people. Look at the script on the paper. Look at the texture of the paper. And this one is not even upscaled, right? I didn't even bother to enhance it. I believe this is the draft of the prompt. So, because with Midjourney 7, you can draft until you're happy, which saves a lot of money. And then you can either upscale it normal or you can do other things. But wow, look at we the people. Anyway, I had to share this with you. Midjourney 7, I'm still discovering, and I'm working on it for the next few days probably. But to really get to understand, because it's a different approach. But if you want to try anything at all, you've got to try the text. All right, talk to y'all soon. Have an awesome weekend.